Whether it is whipping cream or to puree soups or something else, the machines that are the de facto choice are the hand immersion blenders. These are the top 4 among them. At number 4, we have the KitchenAid KHB 2351 CU. The 8-inch blending arm reaches perfectly into deeper pots. The industry's first interchangeable bell blade assemblies can be easily changed with no tools required. The S-blade is ideal for blending. The multi-purpose blade crushes ice, and the frother beater blade froths milk. Also included, a whisk and chopper attachment for even greater versatility. The 3-speed hand blender lets you blend, crush, chop, puree, and whisk. The included whisk attachment whips cream and egg whites to fluffy peaks. The 2-speed hand blender lets you blend, puree, and crush with ease. 2 speeds provide control for food, such as smoothies, soups, or baby food. The blending arm twists off for quick and easy cleanup. Taking the 3rd place is the Hamilton Beach Hand Blender. With its chopping bowl, it is an ideal appliance when you need to blend, chop, mix, or whip. It lets you perform all of these functions right in the cooking pan, bowl, or glass. You don't need to use separate mixing bowls. The stainless steel whisk and blending wand make this hand blender truly versatile. This blender also features a chopping bowl. This Hamilton Beach 2-speed hand blender is also dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. With an easy grip design, it ensures non-slip speed control. The 5-foot-long attached power cord gives you significant freedom of movement while working in the kitchen. In addition, with its powerful 225-watt motor, this Hamilton Beach blender is fast-working and efficient. The runner-up is the Breville BSB510 XL. The Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender has a redesigned blade system that has a bell-shaped base and internal ribbing brake suction for greater control and efficient blending. The Breville Control Grip's blade system has internal ribs that create turbulence. This unique system makes sure that the food falls onto the blades, reducing suction to the bottom of the pot. It also gives you precise control over texture with 15 variable speeds, while the 8-inch immersion depth for large quantities or tall pots means that you can blend directly in the pot for less mess and more convenience. The powerful 280-watt motor generates circulation, making sure all of the ingredients are blended evenly. Trigger operations keep your hand in natural position for more stability and control, and its soft touch finish makes sure that it's easy on your hand. Taking the top spot on the list is the Cuisinart CSB75 BC Smart Stick. One-touch on-off button allows you to activate the hand blender at the touch of a button. Simply press and hold down the low or high button to blend or pulse. The comfort handle allows you to control the hand blender with ease. A powerful 200-watt motor gives power and operates with an easy one-touch control. When you are ready to clean, you can do so by pressing the release button on the back of the unit, and the shaft will detach for easy cleaning. It has blending attachment with stainless steel blade and blade guard. The attachment easily snaps into the motor body housing. The stainless blade is partially covered by a stainless housing that keeps splashing to a minimum. 2-cup mixing beaker is microwave safe and dishwasher safe. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to share your valuable comments with us. If you liked our video, do give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to watch other great videos. Have a great day!